That the velocities, there was nothing there other than me feeling, or us thinking that he was just feeling for it a little bit. All the work that he's been doing, I expect positive in terms of how they recover from either one of the two items that they're dealing with, but we'll know more tomorrow. There's nothing more I can speak to on that. I don't sell my guy short. I think we have an opportunity here to continue to grow as a young club and be competitive against the best.